This 2023 Sunset Park RV SunRay 109E Sport is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Sunset Park RV is 16 feet 6 inches in length and features a Grotto interior, sleeps 2, LP detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, water heater, refrigerator, TV antenna, external shower, smoke detector, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, and 16 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Sunset Park RV SunRay 109E Sport is 1,660 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.